Hello learners, welcome to this video. I am Jaya Gupta. Here I am going to talk about robotics and AI applications. In this topic, I am going to talk about application domains, system abilities, technologies that are used to create innovative robotic applications. Application domains set the requirements to drive the development of new innovations with a set of system abilities and functions which are implemented with the help of advanced technologies. Let's understand each component in detail. Application domains. Robotics technology can be deployed in a broad range of distinct application domains such as healthcare, manufacturing, agriculture, consumer robots, logistic and transport, civil applications, commercial projects, and many more, where each domain is a cluster of many subdomains with their own needs and requirements. First one is healthcare robotics, which is further classified into clinical robotics, rehabilitation, and assistive robotics. Clinical robotics covers surgery, diagnosis, and therapeutic processes used by psychotherapists and also by psychiatrists. Rehabilitation robotics covers prostheses and devices such as robotic exoskeletons and other rehabilitation aids that can be used post trauma or post surgery to train and support recovery. Watch a video how robotic exoskeletons are useful for paralyzed people. Whereas assistive robotics cover clinically based assistive robots that are designed to help perform routine functions as nurses or sisters do. Watch a video of RoboBear, an assistive robot to lift people from ground to wheelchair and vice versa. A robotic nurse, Moxie, developed by Diligent Robotics, is relieving the stress of nurses and other staff by doing repetitive chores. Second is manufacturing. In this sector, applications of robotics technology are developing dynamically. Industrial robotics is a fast developing subdomain under this sector. Some key market sectors under industrial robotics are electronics assembly, automotive parts manufacturing and automotive assembly, general production of metal, rubber, or plastic parts, and food processing. Watch how BMW car factory robots assisting in fast manufacturing. Third one is agriculture, which is further divided into arable farming, livestock farming, and special crops. Arable farming is where only crops are grown on a farm, then used or sold by farmers to earn their livelihood. Many autonomous robots are used for industrial farming. For example, an autonomous agricultural robot, Boni Rob, is being deployed by Bosch and German company Amazon for wheat plucking. Please watch a video of it working on grounds. In other areas such as livestock farming, autonomous feeding robots, barn cleaning robots, milking robots for cows are developed. For autonomous pruning, planting, and harvesting for high value crops, specially designed robots are used by farmers. Many of these technologies are used by farmers living in Australia and other developed nations. Please watch the following video. Fourth one is consumer robots. That is further divided into number of different subdomains such as domestic appliances, entertainment, education, and assisted living. Robotics technology has been applied to domestic appliances over 10 years, starting with pool cleaners, vacuum cleaners, and lawn movers. Under entertainment technology, robotics technology helped to create new theme parks with enhanced roller coaster rides to elevate visitor experience. In education sectors, learning robotics is very special experience for students. Assisted living is a challenging domain where robotics technology provides support for independent living at all ages, social innovation and inclusion, and aging. Robots are cute companions to people. Watch a following video of a cute robot named Buddy.
Wake up, my film. Don't forget, it's Mom's birthday today.
Buddy, turn on the lights. Let's go wake up Juliet.
In logistic and transport sector, autonomous transport is a high profile technology. It is likely that the market impact from this will be incremental as vehicle manufacturers increase the level of automation in the products. Within logistic domain, the highest impact of robotics technology is in warehouse-based systems, especially for order picking and distribution centers, and also at intra-logistic operations in factories and retail. Watch the following video of Amazon warehouse, Alibaba warehouse, and InVia robotics warehouses, where robots are deployed. Sixth application domain is civil domain, which covers a wide range of civil applications such as road maintenance and cleaning, rubbish collection, monitoring and maintenance of dams, bridges, tunnels, monitoring of urban environments, civil buildings, streets, pedestrian areas, tourist sites, etc. Assistance and training of personnel working in civil sectors, for example, law enforcement, emergency services, hazardous environment operations. Please watch how robot Icarus is rescuing the people. Last but not the least is commercial sector robotics. That covers the use of robots and remote guided vehicles in oil and gas sectors. And more recently, it is implemented in mining. Sometimes these sectors operate within hazardous environments, and the extraction of earth resources is often limited by level of risk associated with human working conditions, where robots provide the enhanced set of tools which can operate more efficiently in such conditions. Some areas, such as power generation, water, gas, and electrical supply, that must be remain operational 24/7 in order to minimize cost. Robotics technology plays a significant role in providing continuous inspection capabilities. Please watch a video of high voltage transmission line inspection robot. Next topic is system abilities. Robot systems operate through the integration of wide range of different technologies. In addition to characterization of these technologies, it is also important to characterize the overall performance of a system. So there are many system abilities which are required for a robot, such as motion ability, which is further divided into constrained and unconstrained motion, cognitive ability, which covers action ability, interpretive ability, and reasoning ability, learning and reasoning ability. Manipulation ability covers grasping, holding, and handling ability. Adaptability covers the adaptability, parameter adaptability, component and task adaptability. Perception covers scene and location perception, tracking, recognition ability. Intersection ability covers human robot, robot robot interaction, and interaction safeties. Decisional anatomy is the ability of a robot to act autonomously. Nearly all systems have a degree of autonomy. Next topic is technology clusters. The list of technology clusters is as follows: human robot interaction, perception, navigation, cognition, mechatronics, and system development. Let's understand the interaction of these technology clusters with the help of an image. Technology clusters are formed with the help of many technologies. Let's take an example of navigation, perception, and cognition first. Navigation technology cluster is made up of motion planning, mapping, and localization. Perception comprises of interpretation and sensors, whereas cognition is a combination of natural interaction, cognitive architectures, action planning, knowledge representation and reasoning, learning development, and adaptation. On the junction of these three technology clusters, we can see mission management, tasking with multiple robots, reactive planning, and optimal perception. These are different tasks associated with many robots. After discussing different application domains, system abilities, and technologies, let's conclude the topic by revising the robotic application in various domains such as drilling, packaging, metal cutting, welding, color coating and polishing, military operations using drones, complex medical surgeries, entertainment, space exploration, and artificial limb implantation. The knowledge of many engineering fields such as electrical, mechanical, computer science, electronics, and civil engineering is required to develop such innovative robotic applications. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section.